nothing into you. You coming all hard. Hold up. Electrical powers. Young enough to be your daughter? Oh, that's baby lightning. That's why you mad, huh? Come on. What you can do, you do for blood, right? You and I are blood. That's funny.
Black Lightning continues to fight for the city of Freeland, which is suffering from a full-scale invasion from Markovian forces.
Now, what's the thing? Come on, you good.
Let's stop the madness. We're family. We can work it out.
Man, stop. We ain't related.
No? Why am I a stable metal like you? Now, I know you were born out of wedlock. Your father's name was Cassius.
You got that from the ASA.
I know. You only made your half-brother twice. Once when you were young, and once right before you both went off to war. His name was Ben. And my grandfather.
Look here, kinfolk. You ain't gonna talk your way out of this one. I'm on a mission, and I'm gonna complete it. So you can surrender now. You'll be treated nicely. Just like your baby girl.
Where is she?
She's a prisoner of war.
Where is she?
I'm giving you one last chance to surrender, boy. You feel that? Those are microwaves. Cooking you from the inside. That's it. Nothing to be ashamed about. You fought well. Now stay down.